In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom shapes in Canva. Whether you want something totally unique or just need to tweak the basics, I'll walk you through both the AI-generated option and the classic shape tools so you can build exactly what you have in mind. Start by opening your design in Canva. With your canvas ready, look to the Editor menu and open the Elements tab. Inside Elements, navigate to the Shapes section. Here, you'll see a feature called Generate Shapes. This lets you describe the shape you want in your own words. Type a clear, specific description, something like minimalist mountain ranges or cartoon owl. The more precise your description, the closer Canva gets to your vision. Click Generate Shapes, then review the results. When you see one that fits, select it and it will be added directly to your design. If the first set isn't quite right, refine your description and try again until you are happy with the shape. If you prefer to build shapes manually, you can use the basic shapes, such as squares, circles, and triangles. Add them to your design from the same Shapes section. Once a shape is on your canvas, adjust its size using the handles. Drag the corner handles to scale proportionally so the shape keeps its original proportions. Use the side, pill-shaped handles for asymmetrical scaling when you want to stretch width or height independently for a more customized look. For softer, more modern forms, you can round the corners. Select a shape, then click the border style icon in the toolbar and adjust the corner rounding slider. A subtle tweak can make a big visual difference, especially for buttons, badges, or icons. Working with polygons and stars gives you even more control. Select a triangle, star, or similar shape and open the Shape menu. Here you can add more sides or points to change the overall complexity. You can also adjust the inner radius on stars to control how deep the stars' indents appear. From gentle flares to sharp, dramatic spikes. When you've combined or overlapped multiple elements to create a custom form, select all the pieces and group them by right-clicking and choosing Group. Grouping treats everything as one shape, so you can move, resize, and rotate it together without knocking anything out of place. That's all you need to confidently create custom shapes in Canva, either with generated results or by crafting them from basics. Thanks for watching.